Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the pattern or the kind of floor that you want to add to your room on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and select your room. Tap on it. Tap on the properties option in the left side of the screen. And after that, go to the properties section and click on flooring. Here you have a vast variety of options. You can select from these preset colors, or also there are many categories at the top that you can choose from, such as wood, tile, carpet, marble, and other materials such as ground, plants, or you can also add these water images and so on. Here, if you tap on a certain category and scroll down, you will be able to see that there are many options that are only available to premium users of the application. So just simply select one which is available to you, and after that you will be able to check how it looks like. Tap on the button done in the upper right corner of the screen, and if you go back and tap on the open 3D plan option, you will be able to see how your floor looks like. That's the first floor, and if you go to the second floor, you can see that there is another flooring type. So if you tap or if you go back, you will be able to change this one as well to one that you like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.